Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to take off the door panel on Toyota from 2013 until 2019. So it is the same on all these years. I'll show you the back door how to remove, and it is exactly the same for all the other doors. So here we have this plastic. We have to remove it. We'll begin to remove it from the up, because here it has a pin inside, so we don't want to go from bottom. You will begin on the up, and here you have a little cover that will take off. To take off this cover, we'll go with the hook. Just unpin it like this, and that's it. So here we have a Phillips head screw, and here also we have two Phillips head screws. This is not difficult to remove. Just go from the upper side. So you see, here is the pin. If you begin here, you will break it, and all the pins are like this. No, you begin from up and you pull it. That's it. So Phillips screw. Another Phillips screw here. And to take the panel off, we'll put the plastic tool, the flat, large plastic tool here between the panel and the door, and we will pull one hand from here, the other from the tool. That's it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to take off this screw. So another Phillips screw. And this is it. We'll just lift it up and we got it. Okay, thank you for watching.